Randy B has become a member.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Lovely to have you all here again. What a great morning for the markets. Our Tizro has done very, very well. They've made some bad decisions in the past. I don't like the way they diluted the stock when they were down. However, they've managed to work their way out of it, and now institutions through the convertible notes are buying in. I like it. Tizro Brands, I've never sold my position. I've never added to it. I've just kept it. And I'm very excited about the future. It could easily get to $6 very, very quickly indeed. Could happen quicker than you quite imagine. But on top of that, of course, I've got a price target of $40 a stock, so $40 a share. So I'm holding my position. I tried to calm you this morning. There were several of you a little bit concerned and thinking, should I sell? No, because you've got to look at the value of the stock. It's not the share price that you should be focusing on. It's the value. And Tizro Brands this morning dramatically increased their value of their stock. Now, please understand me. I'm actually down 13% on both of my positions. But I didn't buy on the way down either. I just left it there. So I'm still down 12%. But I'm just holding on my main account. On my Roth IRA, I've got another position. I'm down 8.9, 8.7. Still holding, makes the difference to me. So I'm not selling, I'm not adding. I don't need to, because very, very shortly, it's going to be a stock that would need to be trimmed anyway. It's a $40 price target for me. But we could be at $6 very, very quickly now. Once the news of this gets out, of its dominance in the market, which it's always had, but now it's managing to find ways to make money without legislation going through. So this is really good news for the stock. Anyway, it's a very big day today. Now, during the build-up for the show, I noticed that we got another new member, and I want to welcome Randy B in, who's just become a member, and I'd like to celebrate that. A few moments ago, we had a member, Randy B. Where are you from? This is what just happened a few moments ago. There it is. Randy B.
Randy B has become a member.
Became a member. And where are you from, Randy? I'd like to give you all your perks and benefits. Not only are you recognized as a member, 95% of our live viewers are members. We have the highest engagement of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers, members. It's why we run in members only mode, because we want quality over quantity. We want real conversation. We want to learn from each other. We're here to make money. We're not here to promote anything. We're not here for spam. We're not here for nonsense, rah-rah, and all the rest of it. We want quality conversation about making money, and that's what it's about. I am not here to try to grow a YouTube channel. I'm here to present a YouTube TV show. That's what I do. But I'm here most importantly to build a family of intelligent, educated investors. And that's why we have members in 36 countries of the world. And why we're live up to 10 hours a day. Very, very proud of that. So Randy B, not only have you got a badge now, you'll be recognized. Your blue will turn green, then it will turn yellow to gold, and then, of course, to pink and red. Over time, you can get many, many perks. It's why nearly 95% of our viewers are members. Not only are you recognized, you can be part of our live shows. We have members-only events, members only videos. If you look on the homepage of the YouTube channel now, you can see all the members only videos. Only members can see these videos. They're exclusive to members, behind the scenes. You can see what goes on, special events for our members. Also, you can ask me any question and I will always answer it. On top of that, if you reply to any of my videos, I will always answer you. If you follow me on my social media, I will also reply back to you. So if you want to grow on social media, here is my Twitter. This is where I post my links, my trades before I make them. So I do everything in front of everybody so everyone can see what I'm buying and selling before I do it. There's my Twitter account. Follow me on Twitter, and I will reply to all your comments. That will help you grow online as well. And On top of that, for those, if you don't know, I'm actually voted as the world piano man. This is my TV studio behind me. We're green today because the markets are green, but we change all sorts of colors. And in this studio, every Friday night, we do a music night. I'm actually the world piano man. I sing in 14 voices, 7 different languages, and you can have a live request for a favorite song. Also, we will commemorate your birthday on your birthday. You can donate it to a family member. If you don't want to have a birthday celebration, you can give it to a family member the day before, the day of, or the day after. That way you never miss out for the weekend. People actually employ me and hire me to do videograms. They pay me $500. You get it for free as a member. You also can call into the show. You can be live on the show. You can call in via Discord. There are many, many other perks as well, including you get money back on Amazon purchases. The referrals that I get, I give back 50% of the money. There are many, many things that you get as a member. I can't give you them all now, but there is Discord. If you go and sign up for Discord, it's free. But now I can upgrade your account. When you go to Discord, on that link, you will come into the Welcome All screen. This is the Welcome All screen. You will come in here. When you come into Welcome All, just say hello at the bottom of the screen here, and we will upgrade you, because as a YouTube member, you can't access the members only channels. As a YouTube member, I will upgrade you. You can also call in live to the show. So somebody will greet you here in the Welcome All very, very soon, and we will welcome you into the family that way as well. Many, many perks and benefits. Thank you for becoming a member of our channel. Right, let's go for our positions. Now, today is a big day. Virgin Galactic, it popped up. It's nothing. I'm not touching it. It's not making any sense. Things aren't good at Virgin Galactic. People are quitting the company. There's all sorts of issues there. We've had barcoding, which is a bad sign. It's not good. I'm not buying it. Gold has to go down before I buy any more. S&P is down but moving up. Amazon is up today. That's my biggest AI investment, the IonQ. Apple up today. Next Year Energy, I bought it when it went down. We had a great earnings. I bought it. Enphase Energy oversold today. I've doubled my position recently. Coca-Cola, the best earnings in 2 years. Fantastic. The bull market I declared was started in December. I was 6 months ahead of anyone else declaring it, and I was right. We are in a bull market, but today is all about defensive stocks. FOMC reports soon. We'll cover it live. We'll be there live with it, and it'll be a big day today. I've sold my Google. I made 50%. I sold my Microsoft, made 50%. I've got money on hand to buy to this afternoon. Let's have a little look here. I've got a few comments I've missed. I want to make sure I answer everyone's comments. First of all, we've got Randy B says, hi all, was about time to support the channel. I've been following the streams for about 2 weeks now. I see that it's a real, genuine and transparent. You're very welcome. That's what we aim to be. Not here to promote and sell videos. We're here to build an audience and raise money for our charities, help people, support people. You know, we're living in a world now with global climate going down the toilet, people fearful, people angry. Everywhere you look, it's negativity. Here, all we ever do is be positive, we're supportive, we're honest, we're here to make people feel better, we're here to make people money. I'm not here to grow a YouTube channel. I'm here to help people, all right? That's what I am. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm an entertainer, and I'm here to help people. I consider myself a true beginner in the stock market, and these streams have helped me out, open positions in the market, learn terminology and how to think when buying and selling. Lovely stuff, Randy B. Hi, Bill. Hopefully you are doing well. Good luck on the journey, Randy B. Like you, I'm learning loads from Martyn Lucas Investor TV channel family. Appreciate it, brother, says Randy B. Welcome to the family, Queen of Self-Braiding from Dallas, where I am. Thanks, Martin. I'm here in Dallas, Texas. Me too. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, but my TV studio is here in Dallas, Texas. I'm really new to the stock market, but I wanted to break the chain of just throwing money under the mattress in order to grow. I understand that. Queen, how are you? Hey, Craig. Jojo, hi Queen, hi Crag, getting through all the comments. I read all the members. Jim Kramer says, hold Microsoft, so drop incoming. I sold my Microsoft. Glad I sold Microsoft, Crag. Absolutely right. I sold it and took a 50% profit on it because it's the right thing to do. It's kind of obvious, really. Don't just buy and join a fan club. AI's got overbought. Everyone's got carried away. The stock got overbought. I took a 50% profit. We want to have money on hand today. Cash is king. That's a lovely comment there from Mike. Best YouTube channel in the world. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you very much indeed for that. All right, let's hear from a few of our members just so our new member, Randy B, can understand what this is all about. We've got some new members. Let's hear from a few of our members who've called in. You too can call in now as a member once I've upgraded you on Discord. Here are a few of our members as we go through our positions. Welcome to the most engaged officially channel on YouTube TV with members in 36 countries. 95% of viewers are members. That's why we run now pretty much all the time in members only mode, because we're here to answer everyone's questions and share accurate, positive information without scammers, bots, and bad information. Here we go. Let's hear from a few of our members as we go through our stocks.
Hey, everybody. This is Marvin from Stock Market Plan. Just want to let you know, my friend, Martyn Lucas Investor, you got to make sure you check him out. The guy's got an awesome YouTube channel, growing, community's growing, helping people out. No judgment. Come on down. Check them out.
I'm Puya Bostani from Iran, joining Martyn Lucas Investment Channel. I'm thoroughly enjoyed it. I think everybody can benefit from the amazing content that Martyn, from his experience, put up on this challenge, will help you to go and grow and go beyond your investment journey.
Just wanted to let everybody know that this is the best YouTube channel in the world. And all the time that we've been here, it's been exciting. We've been part of a great family, had a lot of struggles, but a lot of winnings. So whatever anybody thinks that they need not to do, not to join, they need to join because it pays off multiple ways.
We're just about to hit another all-time high, folks. Considering I took $4,000 out of my account, I'm at 57,705. This is looking very, 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 very good today. And considering I have nearly $2,000 in cash, earning 4.65%, this is a very, very good day.
Everybody, you should watch Martyn. He's amazing. He loves to drink whiskey, lay flat on the floor. No, all jokes aside, it's an amazing community. I love watching Martyn, and you should support him. And yeah, send him some super stickers with amazing comments. Thank you.
My name is Akil, also known as the Man from Earth, and I'm with the Martyn Lucas family, the investor family, and what we do every day is we go over investing. And the reason why I joined this family is I was looking for some news about Virgin Galactic when the spike went up like last week, and it led me directly to the show, and I started watching. I'm like, wow, this guy, I love the energy in here, and it's great, man. So I became a member. Actually, I became a sponsor one day last week, a sponsor of the bill, for Poodle Kill Urban Apparel. I'm the CEO and owner of that company. And we love this. Martyn Lucas, the Virgin Galactic whole thing. We love it because the energy in here is great, and I love it.
I like the way you explain people your thinking and the stock. You're really honest and you really tell the way it is. You just try to pump the shares. You just telling everything the way it looks. You're not trying to make money from the people. You're just giving your best advice. And I've been watching you for a while now, until last week that I decided to enjoy and be a member. And like I said, I just love the way you really, I feel you honest. And that's the main reason I want to become a member.
am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com and gorillapool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martyn because it's true and it's honest, and everyone's polite, everyone's genuine. It's a great community to join. Everyone's supportive. Everyone has something knowledgeable and wise to share, and I've definitely benefited from this community. So what you're doing is great, Martyn. Thank you.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England and he's a lot of fun.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter, we just get straight to it.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
You should be always feel up, Martyn. You're doing a great job, and the people around you, you surround yourself with the people like yourself, which is it's a lot. It's a lot, man. Like even like whoever in this moment listening this, like I'm sure like we all have our own things to deal with. But between these things, you're just giving at least a couple of minutes to feeling what we are feeling in here. It's a great. I'm very thankful. All the best.
Just bear with me a second. We've got a slight glitch there. We should be good again now.
Started watching on TikTok and I was totally against doing stocks, but after watching you for about 5 to 7 days, I dove in, put $1,000 into Robinhood and gave this a try. I've been watching what you've been doing. I've been following and trading the way that you've been trading. And today I made a profit after yesterday. So big thumbs up. It really was exciting to me. And all day today, I've been waiting for the Virgin Galactic to take off and be able to reinvest and get back in because I did that today with you.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since. As the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
Fantastic. Thank you to all the members who call in and leave those wonderful messages. Well, we're looking very good today. We're waiting to buy Google and Microsoft. It doesn't matter if they go up now. They're overbought. They're very, very expensive. We're looking for value. We're looking to make money. We're not looking to join fan clubs. And if we look now, I'm about to hit an all-time high, which is great considering I've taken so much money off the table. Look at this, folks. This is really, really good. Here's my overall portfolio. $57,000. I started with $5,000. I only put $4 a week in. I've shared that on the screen. You've seen how it's gone. I lost 30 grand with Virgin Galactic. I say I'm down. I've not lost it. It's just gone down. But I've made it all back. We're at 57.7 from $4 a week. That's it. I'm soon to increase that though, because now I've paid off my computer. I'm going to start increasing the amount of money, but I'm going to start building up cash for the rest of the year. I want to get about $5,000 to $10,000 in cash, earning potentially 5% if we get a rate hike today. I think it's going to be a pause, and I'm against 99% of you. Everyone thinks it's going to be a rate hike. I say a pause. We've got another new member. Kevin just joined in. Kevin, where are you from? Welcome to the family. If you didn't get if you didn't hear about the perks earlier, ask me and I will repeat it for you. So there we go, looking pretty good. We're looking now at a Roth IRA, which is an all-time high. If you look at my stocks, mine are the green and the S&P is blue. So I'm beating the market on every metric, on every account. Fund managers compare themselves to the S&P. If you can consistently beat the market, then you're doing better than the fund managers. That's what I set my standards to, and I am beating the market. I'm beating the S&P consistently all across the board. Very, very happy with that. And if you look at my overall position, that is also beating the market today, on the day, the week, the month. It's kind of everywhere, really. This is really good. And I've got cash today to buy the FOMC fallout. So this is good.
Kevin Cockell has become a member.
Thank you, Kevin. Welcome to the family. All right. If you didn't get my perks and benefits information, remind me and I will do it again for you. Now then, folks, something very, very important. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. At 10,000 subscribers, we can continue our fundraising. I've raised a lot of money for our charities over the last few years, but when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we get an extra benefit. We're able to do fundraisers without any fees or charges from YouTube. So I can give even more money. I do it free anyway, but YouTube always took some profits. You know, they took some credit card fees. Now they're not going to do that once I hit 10,000 for registered charities. And Kevin, as a silver member, not only do you get all the bronze memberships and you can get all the other perks and benefits. Here's the Discord link I just gave to our other guest earlier, our new member. As a silver member, you can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you wish to grow your YouTube channel. I will get everyone to subscribe to you, and they will. Everybody will subscribe to you because we are the most honest, real, live, supportive channel. Everything here is going to make you feel good. Okay, in a world of doom and gloom, we are here to help people, to be honest, support you, and give everyone a voice, help everyone grow, make everybody money. Okay. As a silver member, Kevin, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser, or you can have a birthday or a wedding anniversary. People hire me. I just got hired last night, $5,000 to do a wedding. You can have me play at your wedding for 20 minutes or an anniversary or a birthday concert for free. You can stream me on a big screen TV now. This is my TV studio on Friday nights, music night. You can have a request. Many, many perks and benefits you can get. All right, now I'm going to give you my all links button where we have all our cash giveaways. I give away money all the time. I will follow all my social media. Now be very careful. There are many of you following scam accounts. I've actually paid to have all my accounts verified, so that way you can you know that you're following the genuine account. Here is my links page. We have a newsletter starting soon where I will put all my trades and investments in there. You can win cash. You can win. There's prizes that I give away all the time. There is my newsletter. If you go to here, it's the all links page. You can if you've already signed up for it, you can upgrade because I've now got a new service. All you need is your email, but if you want to put your name and personalize it, you can. You can put your birthday in here, and I'll send you birthday cards and Christmas cards. You can also have the Lucas Titbits text service if you want that as well. It's all free. That's only available at the moment to the US, but you might go and check it. They're adding new countries all the time. All right, so there you go. And if you look below the links page, you will actually see below the links page, if you scroll down, all my social media, you'll see my Twitter, my Facebook, my threads, all of these things, all my free stocks that my sponsors give away. There's loads of free things there. It's all there. I even give you money on Amazon cashback when you buy stuff on Amazon. Only members I do that for. But anyway, there are many, many perks, too many things to talk about in this event today. But it's all there to help you. Everything is about helping you. Right. We've got the FOMC report coming up soon. We're going to be live for it. If you've not yet booked your ticket for the FOMC report, here is the FOMC. You must join me for that. It's the biggest event of the year so far. There is the FOMC report. I'll also pin it to the top of the chat so you can't miss it. It's the most important thing today. There it is. There's the FOMC report. This will be it live on the live here. It'll tell you now. If you don't realize this, go to the homepage of the YouTube channel, and all these things here, the upcoming live streams, they're all scheduled out. I'm always on at the same time. I'm always live up to 10 hours a day, and they're all in time order, date order, and they'll all be there in your time zone. Think of that as a TV guide. All right. Okay, and Kevin, if you look below, you'll see all the members only videos as well. And as well as everything else, I will answer all your questions. I'll do a poll for you. I will, if you ask me any question below a video, if you comment on any one of my videos, I will reply to you. You're one of my members, and I will focus on you and give you all my time. Up to 12 hours a day, I work at this channel to become the best, most honest, live, supportive YouTube TV channel in the world. That is my aim. All right, welcome, Kevin. You got a welcome there from Israel. We have members. What country are you from, by the way? Do we have your country listed here? Kevin says, great, brilliant, thank you. It's my pleasure, Kevin. Hello, Martyn and everyone. Following you since 2 weeks and taking the plunge now. Fantastic? What is that? Fantastic with an F. Don't know why I was doing fantastic. Anyway, thanks, great, Martyn. That's really a lot of generosity and support for your community. Not at all. It's the greatest pleasure. I feel I've got the best job in the world. I've toured the world as the world piano man. Now I want to help and support people from France. I don't think we have a member from France. Do we have a member from France? Hang on. I don't think we do. Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, and Ecuador. We do not have a member from France. Now we do. Congratulations. We now have France added to our audience. Fantastic. We now have 37 countries recognized. So for you, you will now be flying the flag. Let me update it for you. Here we go. This is very exciting. We're now going to live add France to the calendar, to the flags. Here we go. Bear with me a second. Here we go. We're adding France. Here we go. We're adding France to the flag. Now, forever, you will know that you fly the flag for France. Okay? That'll be your flag. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to save it. I've got to adjust it slightly now. Whoops-a-daisy. Hang on. Got to do it live. I do it live. So you will now see your flag recognized on the show. We've now got a member from France. That is absolutely fantastic. And of course, we want to celebrate that. Brilliant. There we go. We got a member from France. If you keep watching, you will see it come up in just a couple of seconds. This is really, really great. Absolutely great. If you watch, you'll see France come up at the end. So in honor of that, everybody, please do make sure you're watching now. Tap the like button. Please tap the like button. And here comes the French flag, our 37th country. This is absolutely great. So this is especially for you now. I'm going to give you a message in French. I will do my very best to do that for you. Here we go. So this is Kevin. Welcome, Kevin, to the channel. And all fellow guests in France, you are our first member from France. Thank you and welcome. We are live every day up to 10 hours a day. Our aim is to be the most honest, real, supportive channel on YouTube TV in the world. Thank you and welcome.
Bienvenue à Kevin dans la chaîne et à tous les autres invités en France.
There's your flag.
Vous êtes notre premier membre de la France, merci et bienvenue. Nous sommes en direct tous les jours jusqu'à 10 heures par jour que je vise et d'être la véritable chaîne de soutien la plus honnête sur YouTube TV du monde, merci et...
Jojo S says, can you sing Le Marseillaise? No, I can't actually, but I can't think of anything. Jean Celebabab, da 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 da. Alois, da da da. I don't know. I don't really know anything. Da shala di da. Anyway, that's the worst, innit? That's the worst thing ever. I don't know what that was, but I've heard something like that. I don't really know exactly what that was, but anyway. Da 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 da. Alois, da da da. Anyway, I don't know. Just to celebrate, especially for Jojo S is laughing. Yeah, I've got no idea what I can do. I can do some Italian. Does that count? Not really. I can do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Okay, here we go. Just for you. Time to say goodbye. Sulla vipe Marie che la soy. No, it's gonna be it. It's time to say goodbye. Con me partirò. Sulla vipe Marie che la soy. No, it's gonna be it. Con me. There you go. And you said, am I a tenor? Well, not exactly. I've got a range of just about 5 octaves. And I do a few different voices, from Andre Bocelli to, who else can we do? Michael Bolton. Will a man loves a woman deep down his soul? Acid trees of green, red roses too. When I find myself in time of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. Eric Clapton. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? There we go. Just a few voices for you. Acid trees of green. Anyway, you wasn't expecting that, was you? You're thinking, what the heck is going on here? I didn't know this was going to happen today. Didn't know this was going to happen. I'm thinking, yeah, what's it all about? Okay, enough of that. Damn, how is he not on TV and on Broadway? Church of the Logic is here. Hey, I love it. Churchy, welcome, Churchy. Talent, the queen of logic. Hey, thank you very much indeed. All right. Okay, let's clear our flags and welcome our new member in from France. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Now then, we need to do a little bit of work here just for a couple of seconds. Some of you have got very, very lazy. We can't have lazy people on the channel. We don't do lazy. 1 minute. Let's do it. No more lazy people. What's it with the lazy people? You ready? Here comes the the no more nonsense people. You ready? Okay, 40 seconds. We got 47 watching, only 23 likes. So this is what you got to do. If you like the video and you want to be shown more from YouTube, the only way to see more of what I do and be suggested by YouTube is tap the like button. If you don't like me, I don't mind. We don't care. If you don't like it, go and watch a rah-rah channel. Go and watch a channel that is there to make money for the YouTuber. We are here to help people. If it's not what you want to hear and you don't like the message, click the down like. I don't mind. What that will do is you won't see any more of my content because they won't show you anymore, and I'll be happy because you won't. I won't have people watching that don't want to watch. I get a much more engaged audience. So there you go. So I want you to do something. Don't just sit there and do nothing. I don't even care if you download the video. I don't mind. It just means we get people here who want to watch. Many people unsubscribed to me about a month ago when I started saying Virgin Galactic was going down to $1.50 because they're not investors, they're gamblers. And they wasn't paying any attention to the facts presented in front of them. And I said the stock's going down, and I've been bullish for a while. And people left because those people joined me for a fan club. They joined to rah-rah Richard Branson. Well, the only person who wins when you rah-rah is Sir Richard Branson. He buys another island. Well, I'm not here for Richard Branson. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to be honest. I'm here to be real. So those people unsubscribed because you're saying Virgin Galactic's going down. Yes, I am. That's what I am saying. I'm not here to promote Virgin Galactic or sell anything. I'm here to help people and present the facts as they are. Think of it as the news channel. Someone said to me the other day, I don't want to hear you talk anymore about Virgin Galactic, saying it's going to go down. I said, well, don't watch then. Why are you watching? That's like tuning into the news and saying I'm sick and tired of hearing about fires and global warming. Well, the news reports it because it's what's happening. I'm sick and tired of hearing about the war in Ukraine. Well, guess what? It's happening. It's the news. We're not here to make up rubbish. There's loads of Reddit channels that will do that. There's loads of YouTubers that will make up videos to sell videos to you. Go and watch them. You are not in the right place if you're after rah-rah. Okay, we're here to make money consistently. We're here to make money and beat the markets. We're here to help raise money for charities. We're here to give you the news and the facts as they are, what I am doing with my own actual money. This is all my money. I don't have any money in the bank. This is my bank account. All right? This is my bank account. I have about $5 now in Bank of America and about nothing in the Chase. I closed it. They charged me money to pay me nothing. I mean, what's the point? So I have my money in Robinhood. There it is. Excuse me. And, by the way, a couple of things. We got some new members today who joined from Dallas. If I give you my invitation, we're both going to get some free stocks. This is what I use, Robinhood. I love it. And not only do I use Robinhood, let me give you the link. I also invest in Robinhood. It's a 6 to 10x. So let me give you the link. And if you use my link, you'll get free stocks. I'll get free stocks. Everybody makes money, right? Okay, I will share with you what I get live on the show. There is the invitation. I'll post it twice in the chat if you've not yet done that. All of that's on my all links button anyway. But there it is, a little bit easier for you if you want to see it that way. Right, the overall portfolio is up. My Roth IRA is up. And I'm $200 away from another all-time high. My crypto is up. My Roth is up. Yeah, very, very good. Now then, FOMC report, not that long to go. I'm doing good, waiting to see the Grim Reaper, says Stephen Lewandowski. All right. How's it going, my brother? Martyn Lucas Investor, are we still going up? We're still going to meet in NYC. Yes, that is still my plan. That is still my plan. Now, every year, I say every year, this is the second year. All right, we're starting a tradition. Last year, we met in the UK. We met in the UK for our convention every year. Last year was the first year. We want to meet up, and all the members are invited. Everyone comes together, and we all meet up and and have a wonderful time. We had a great party last year, and I was blown away. And the reason why I was blown away was because you remember the famous story of the TikToker who thought she was famous. She had 7 million subscribers, 7 million followers on TikTok. 1 minute she's living at home. Well, she's still living at home with her mum. Next minute she thinks she's a superstar because she has 7 million followers. It means nothing. It means nothing. My subscribers and people who browse through my social media means nothing. What means everything to me are the members that join me live every day, not people who just scroll through and see a video and don't care. My members are a committed family. And last year, a year ago, we had about, 2,000 subscribers, 3,000. We were quite small, still small now, really, on YouTube standards. A couple of thousand subscribers. And I decided to put an event on in England. And we had about 20 people turn up. People come from all over England and Europe. We had Patty and Ale come from Italy. I was blown away. This year, I think we could have maybe 50 or even 100 people meet us. And people will come across the world. It's incredible that this community has got such a loyal support for each other. So we're looking at either New Mexico for Virgin Galactic or at Austin in Dallas, Texas, to go to the Tesla factory, or meet at the New York Stock Exchange. We haven't yet booked and planned it, but that's our aim. And yes, we are looking to do that. Anyway, Tilray still holding at 2. Yeah, not surprised. I said it wouldn't go down today. I don't think it will, to be perfectly honest. Now, the share price might move. It might go down and back up again. But the value of Tilray has been vastly increased today. And the reason I say that is because not only did it beat on earnings in a big way, not only that's not the reason. It's the fact that institutions, the big money, are buying in now. That is why it's interesting to me. That's why it's got more value today. I'm not interested in buying share prices. I am interested in buying companies. I am buying value. And that's what I'm looking for value. My next acquisition will be Rocket Labs. I will double my position if it goes down much lower. Okay, so we're looking out for Rocket Labs. I've come out of Virgin Galactic. That is just now a nightmare, an absolute nightmare of a stock. It could be at 150 before you know it. I'm not buying it right now. Things might change, but right now it's just how can we give the founder members a load of money? Institutions got out. I made money. And even though I lost subscribers, I don't care. Subscribers mean nothing. Viewers mean everything. And those that left my channel because I won't rah-rah Virgin Galactic for them are not worth my time. My time is more valuable than that. I'm not here to rah-rah to make a few dollars out of a few people that want to watch me talk rubbish. I'm not interested in that. Next Era Energy. This was another one. I tripled my position. I said to you today it was going to go up despite FOMC, and it is. I was in at $1,000. I said solar is about to pump big time, and it is. And I had $1,000. I doubled it to $2,000. I tripled it to $3,000. Why? It's a solid balance sheet. It's really, really solid. And of course, we have the dividends a few weeks away, ex-dividend date. This is going to rally all the way up to that. So I was down 4%. I'm now up 1%, and I've got a $3,000 position. It's 8% of my portfolio on my main account. And I'm very, very happy. Oh, I have even more of it. I've got another $1,300 of it on my Roth. I forgot about that. I've got $4,500 now. Blimey. I am bullish on it. Anyway, there you go. So that's what I bought. I also sold Google and Microsoft yesterday at an all-time high, and I sold those and made 50% profit on both of those. Very happy. I've now got plenty of cash to buy whatever happens today. Coca-Cola, I've been saying for the longest time, is a sleeping giant. It's been going sideways for a year or more, and people are going, it's rubbish, I'm not buying it. And I went, you're absolutely bonkers. It's the best dividend. It's the best dividend when it comes to consistently going up. Another 10% increase on the dividends this year. The dividends paid out for 76 years in a row. It's been going sideways. It's a sleeping giant. Inflation's coming down, which means commodity prices going down, which means profits for Coca-Cola is going up. I've been saying that for the longest time, and today it was proven. There it is. The biggest upswing from their expectations in over 2 years. The bull market, I said, started in December. I was told I was an idiot for saying that. Well, it did. And it is. We are in a bull market and have been since November. So I doubled my position and doubled it again. I've now got $3,500 in Coca-Cola on my main account and $1,500 in my Roth account, and they are both up. They were down 4% just a week or so ago. I'm 4% up on my Roth, plus the dividends, and nearly 5% up on my brokerage account. Dividends are phenomenal. They're going to keep going up. I'm hoping soon, in fact, I should be now at $100, maybe more than that now, actually about $150 a quarter. I'm trying to get to $100 a month of passive income by the end of this year, and I'm more than on target to do that. So that's really good. J&J is going up. I said also this was a $250 stock. I trimmed off the top because you always take profits to buy something that's going down, that has potentially more growth. J&J is had a massive pump from about 4 or 5% down to 6% up in a week. And with this one, that's because I kept increasing my position. A dividend king, just like Coca-Cola, also increasing dividends. And this one could rally today if we get a sell-off from tech, because the safe money will go into this stock. One, because it's defensive. More importantly, it now has, in my book, a $250 price ticket on it. Price target on it. So this has got loads of potential of going up today, despite whatever Jerome Powell says. Now, we've had a poll running on my Twitter account for a number of days now. Do you think that we're going to get, what do you think the rate is going to be today? Now, I'm going against what 99% of the market is saying. 99% of the market are saying to me that we're going to get a rate hike. I am saying a pause, because a pause for longer is more painful than a 1 month up and back down again. I don't think we need to raise rates. This was the poll. If you've not taken part in the poll yet, strongly recommend you do, and I will reply to everybody that does. Here is the poll. It's on Twitter. Let me give you the link. Put it in the chat. There is the link. I'll also give it to our guests who are watching me on Rumble today. We're also on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Let me give it to you now. There is the poll. Please do vote on that. We hope you will vote on that. Thank you to you. My audience on Facebook, on my page. If you've not yet followed me, Martyn Lucas Investor. All of my social media, I have paid for the verification ticks, so you follow the real channel. There are many of you following the wrong channels. Some of them have more viewers, have more followers than I do, because they follow for follow. People love following back someone who follows them. I don't follow anyone. I don't message anyone. Please don't do it. Right there is my my Twitter there. Sorry, my Facebook there. All right. I put more information on there as well when I'm trading. Okay. My Roth IRA is it's still up, but we are going down because Tesla is selling off. That's exactly what I want, because I'd love to buy it back cheaper. I don't mind that. Maybe I'll get in on some, says Randy B. Kevin, if you do something in the UK, or go anywhere in Europe, I'll represent France. Fantastic. We will meet in England next year. No question about it. We may even come to France. Who knows? I think you get a YouTube plaque at 10,000. No, you don't. You get a plaque at 100,000. 10,000 return on BAT. Martin, remember the 10% return on BAT. Martin, remember 5 months ago? Congratulations. Can we love both? you, Martin, and Space. Of course you can. Of course you can. Need a good penny stock, please. Something $2 or less. Maybe FCEL Church says, we've got a pause. I see a pause. Yes, I like FCEL. However, there's a death bill in Congress about clean hydrogen, going for a raise of 0.25. Right, let's go back to the positions a minute. Overall, SPCE, gold, the S&P, love to buy it if it drops. Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, defensives. I can't say it enough. I'm not saying now to buy it. It's too late. You should already be in. Anyway, that's just the truth of it. McDonald's, never too late to buy land. Google, just going sideways today. Didn't pump, did it? Didn't pump. There was people last night on my show saying I was stupid for selling Google and Microsoft, and I asked why. And over on Twitter, people were saying you're an idiot because AI. Why do people just keep saying AI? Why do young kids on Reddit just keep going AI? I go, have you read the balance sheet? Which company are you buying? I'm buying Amazon for AI. Well, AI is the future. Well, why is it the future? Is it overbought? What does overbought mean? Well, exactly. Microsoft got overbought. Google has run out of steam. I don't care how high it goes. I'm not buying it now. It doesn't make any sense. Microsoft doesn't make any sense. I want to own it, but I'd rather buy Amazon for my AI. Remember, Amazon invest in IonQ. That's quantum computers. I'm up 26%. I've already made 50% on Google and Microsoft. I'll buy back Microsoft this afternoon, perhaps. Rocket Labs is doing me today. It shouldn't be. Rocket Labs today is an opportunity. Remember, I always do the reverse, what everybody else is doing. When everybody is selling, I'm buying. When everyone's buying, I'm selling. I'm never buying when everybody else is buying, because you're just rallying a stock up and then you're going to lose. I've already got Rocket Labs and I'm up. I'm waiting for Rocket Labs to go lower because we've got the flight on the 28th, and we'll rally up again for that. Rocket Labs is a sound company. I've moved away from Virgin Galactic at the moment. Rocket Labs has a much better marketing team. It manages its money much better. It bought the remnants of Virgin Orbit. I think, and again, some people have said to me, why do you say this? Well, I say it because I have private conversations with the people that own the companies. On my social media, I have followers like Matthew Brown, who follows me on Instagram, who tried to buy Virgin Orbit, a billionaire from Dallas, who owns SpaceX, who wanted to buy Virgin Orbit, follows me on Instagram. And he would have bought Virgin Orbit if it wasn't for Richard Branson stopping it, making sure he got his money out. That's the sort of person Richard Branson is. Great businessman. You need to respect it. But he's not there for you. He's not there for the shareholders. And I believe, from what I am reading and what I am communicating with people, that Rocket Lab will buy Virgin Galactic. People say to me, no, they won't. It's a rocket company. One's tourism and one is putting satellites. Yes, but it also owns great space land. It owns great space technology. It owns resources. They won't buy it now. They'll drive it down to $1.50. Then it'll go under $1, and then Rocket Lab will buy it when Virgin Galactic goes into Chapter 11 bankruptcy. No, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's how institutions are looking at it and what they think is going to happen. And I know this because I look at the balance sheet. I look at people that are being hired and left. I also had a phone call from a member of the community who's a relative to employees from Virgin Galactic. I also received some texts from that person. I showed you what the text and the phone call I received a week or so ago. And I'm also looking at the employees that have left, have been fired from Virgin Galactic. I'm also listening to what people are telling me on my social media that are having private conversations, who have said I can share the information. And that's what I see. And also the institutions that dumped it with me when I made 17% with Virgin Galactic when it flew. I took my profit and then I traded it over the next week or so following the flight and made money on that as well. I'm not here to rah-rah or promote the stock. I'm here to make money. Simple as that. Anyway, okay. Rocket Lab changed flight to the 30th now, have they? Okay, thank you for that update. That was from Liam Laffey. Thank you so much indeed. Now then, our 2 new members that joined today, have you made your way on to Discord yet? Because if you have, I want to upgrade your account. Have you done that yet? Here is Discord. That way you can call in, you can talk to our members, you can see our exclusive content that our traders and investors share exclusively on Discord. There is the link. Let me go and visit Discord now and see. No, you haven't yet come in. If you were in, you'd be here in the welcome all. Maybe you don't want to be on Discord, that's fine, but it's one of the benefits that you get, information source that you get as a YouTube member. Right, back to Tilray for a moment. Falling back a bit, I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it at all. We are very, very close now, folks, to our 10,000 target, 9,610. That's so we can do more great work for our fundraisers. Anyway, fantastic. I also want to put a huge shout out. This has only started happening. In India, we have thousands of people now who watch me every day in India. Look at this. This was July 25th, yesterday's closing bell show. See here? We've had 1,500 views, and these are all from India. Look, in the last 60 minutes, we've had 23 views. An hour before that, it was a few hundred. See this here? People are watching in India. I am actually translating the show into Hindi for my Indian audience that they are listening to the next day because of time zone difference. And I want to put a big shout out to all my guests who are listening to me every day, the day after the event because of time zone constraints in India. So for all of those of you that have, if any of you have tuned in, probably not, you're probably asleep right now. But nevertheless, I'm going to put this out in Hindi, which is my Indian language that I use. And I'd like to thank you. I would like to thank all of my guests and members who watch me every day in India. There are thousands of you now watching my opening and closing bell in your time zone. I'm sure as I'm saying this now, you're asleep. But when you do hear this, I want to thank you very much for your support. And it's lovely to have so many guests and members now from India. Thank you.
मैं अपने सभी मेहमानों और सदस्यों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जो मुझे भारत में रोज देखते हैं। आप में से हजारों लोग अब अपने समय क्षेत्र में मेरे उद्घाटन और समापन बेल को देख रहे हैं। मुझे यकीन है कि मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि अब आप सो रहे हैं, लेकिन जब आप ये सुनते हैं कि मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए आपको बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं और भारत से अब बहुत सारे मेहमानों और सदस्यों के लिए ये बहुत प्यारा है।
There we go. Virgin Galactic going back up. Gold. S&P. Amazon. Apple. NEE. Enphase. Oversold. This is time to buy it. I'll be buying some more in a minute. Coca-Cola up. J&J up. CVX. Oil. Tesla popped up and fell away again. Rivian. McDonald's. Never too late to buy land. Google, Microsoft. Too expensive. Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, Robinhood, 6 to 10x, IonQ, $30 stock, Rocket Lab, keep going down, I'll buy it. Plug. This is our plug investments, down 10% today. Sorry, down 10%, it's down 0.5% today, nearly 1%, I beg your pardon. Procter & Gamble, defensive stocks. Rumble, 8% to go before I sell it. Fun, 57% down. Faraday, 6% down. Rio, still too expensive. Meta, no. Bitcoin, just going nowhere. Just go round and around the $29,000. Pointless. Polygon, I bought it at 38. I use it as a use case. This is a $5 target on XRP. Okay. Okay. Why have I still got those open? I don't need. Look at that, folks. Whoa. There we go. Moving around very quick now. Okay. Now then, I'm going to end our show right now because it's FOMC report time. We're going to be there live for the FOMC report. Okay. You missed the boat on that one, honestly. Okay. Okay. This is my overall position. My Roth IRA is all-time highs. My main account is just off slightly. And we're just a few $100 away from all-time high again on the main account. So we're just holding where we are right now. That's fine. Okay, so it's now time. I think I've answered everyone's questions. It's time to get off for the FOMC report. We're now going to do Day Trader of the Day. Now then, here is the event coming up in your time zone. Click on this, and it'll take you to the FOMC report. We're going to be there live in a few minutes' time. We're going to go early. We're going to be the first people to cover it live. We're going to be there live throughout the whole event. We'll then have the closing bell afterwards. And then tomorrow, we've got McDonald's earnings. Very, very important. All right? Looking to buy some more land if I don't pick up Google and Microsoft today. Thanks, Church, for the update on hydrogen. I like hydrogen, green, grey, and blue hydrogens. You missed the boat on that one, honestly, says Churchy. Great to have Churchy back in the show. Oh, by the way, if you don't know who Churchy is, this is Churchy. This is the Church of Logic, as we call him. And where is here he is. Here's Churchy. This is Churchy right now.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon, I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
He hates why I do that. That's why I do it. Don't tell an Englishman you don't like it. He'll just do it more. Yeah, just do it more. All right, okay. We're going to wrap up the show. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main position. Go to your main position. And first of all, though, just to make sure that everyone understands what's happening here, very, very important. Go to your screen, wherever you're watching on a phone or a mobile, and click the live button. Make sure the live button turns red. If it's grey, you're behind the stream. You're now 30 seconds behind the stream once you've done that. How do you get right behind the stream? You can get within 10 seconds. The reason for that is we have closed captions turned on, even though they're not working at the moment with YouTube. YouTube have a problem with closed captions. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to come up to date by clicking the cog. Click the cog. Click playback speed. Go 2 times. That'll bring you within 10 seconds of me speaking live to you. The reason for that is we have closed captions turned on, even though they're not working at the moment with YouTube. YouTube have a problem with closed captions. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to come up to date by clicking the cog. Click the cog. Click playback speed. Go 2 times. That'll bring you... All right, and now you'll be within 10 seconds of me. Done all that? Fantastic. Now go and... Church, have you noticed my audio has dramatically improved. I've now I've invested a lot to present now a live radio TV sound. We always had the great visuals. We always had the 4K transmission and the lighting and everything else and all this. By the way, those that are watching me, this isn't a green screen. None of it's green screen. This is all live. This is a real studio. Camera's really moving. But now, a few days ago, I upgraded my sound. So hopefully now we are compressed. We have EQ, special EQ, Pro EQ. We also have limiters. We also have valve compression, expanders to give you the sound. If you're on a phone right now, you won't appreciate that. If you go and listen now onto a big TV and a big sound system, you will hear it sound like a movie, even more than TV. In 96 kilobits, 96 hertz, I actually broadcast in above movie standard, and you should get that nice low tone. And if I stop speaking, there's no background noise at all. Zero. Listen in. See what I mean? Hopefully you'll appreciate that and hear that. YouTube is now encouraging people to go and make broadcast TV standard. I'm going above TV standard and making it movie standard. So if you listen on a big TV or a big sound system, you will get the benefit of what this channel is about. All right. Okay. I'm trying to do everything I can to constantly improve the performance and the services to my members. Okay. Church says, I like that big TV. Is that for a joke? Let me turn it around for you. There you go. Church, was that a joke? I know why you said that. I'll let you see it now. This was bought by a member of our audience who tried to manipulate my channel. And just to show there's no hard feelings, this was the person in question.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about, because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
There you go. So that's the TV screen. Now I have that TV screen to broadcast on TikTok. Now you might notice I'm not broadcasting on TikTok today either, because I'm more focused now than ever. We've hit a point of focusing on our members, and I'm getting away from just trying to get more numbers and just focusing on quality. Now that's we've built the channel, and now we're all about focusing on our members. Even though I will earn less from doing that, my aim is to give the members the best service. Okay. Time to end the show. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Now everyone knows what we're doing. Here we go. I am down 0.16. Down 0.16%. First time back in months, walked into that nonsense. Brilliant. There's no nonsense here. That's why it's members only. I was dying on the floor that day. I would imagine you was. Okay, so here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. It's Day Trader of the Day. Down 0.16. Once the first person posts, hopefully we'll be able to get to see who wins today. S&P, Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Chevron, Tesla, Rivian, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray. Selling off a bit, but I'm not concerned. Are you? Okay, here come the scores. Zach Zate is up 2.8, down 1.28. So Zach Zate is in the lead so far. Anybody beat Zach? He's the winner so far. I'm just about to turn green though. Won't take very long before I do turn green. In a couple of moments. Can see that happening. Looking really good across the board. My portfolio, my Roth is up. I'm $300 away from an all-time high with cash on hand. So, Zach say, have we got any more scores? Was everyone behind an ad or got stuck? All right, well, I'm going to call it time. I told you how to make sure that you're behind, up to date. Zach, Churchy is down 0.45. So, Zach Zate, thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Congratulations to Zach Zate, up 2.8. Thank you very much indeed. Give him the sound effects. All right, brilliant. Okay, it's time for me to get out of here now. I will see you back in a few minutes' time. Let's roll the credits. I don't think there's going to be anything to celebrate today. There are no super chats, I doubt, but we'll roll them anyway. Roll the credits. Here, let's have a look. Do we have any credits today? Let's clear the screen. Let's get ready. We got some new members though, Randy B and Kevin from France. We now have 37 countries represented. Absolutely great. Really, really great. There we go. Thank you very much for joining me. Welcome to our 2 new members. If you find your way onto Discord, I will upgrade your account and improve that for you, give you that service. I only do it on a live show, so I explain how it all works. So see you back in a little bit for that if you've done that in the meantime. I'll give you the Discord link here. We're going to be back in a few minutes' time with the FOMC report live, listening into Jerome Powell. That's why the markets are starting to sell off now. That's why we've got money in hand. I don't think Tilray is going to be affected too much by the market today, if I'm perfectly honest. It's gone down a bit, but it's still up 15.5%. It hasn't really done that much to sell off. I am very happy to hold it. All right, that's it. I'll see you all back. Thank you. My STKH is amazing this week. Congratulations. Congratulations, Zach. Thank you, Crag. There you go. Everyone's congratulating him. Lovely stuff. I love it. All right. I will see you all back in a bit. Thank you very much for being here. And we'll be back in a few minutes' time with the FOMC report. Brilliant. Good stuff. From the back of my studio. There you go. And make sure that you do join us for the FOMC report. While you're waiting for it to start, go to my Twitter poll and vote. Is the rates going to go up or down, pause or pivot? There is the Twitter poll in the chat. Go and vote there. That's what it looks like. All right, go and vote on that. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. As always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves, and as always, take care of each other. Welcome to our new members. Bye-bye for now.